All right, we're over here in Garden City on Franklin Avenue, and we're coming closer to my friend over here in the Garden City Shoe Repair. You're not the shoe repair.
We do the.
That's the shoe repair.
We do the haircut.
I don't need a haircut.
Maybe next time.
Oh no, never.
Will you do a video? Good for you, man. Are you from Brown City?
No, from Forest Hill.
Oh, where do you live in Forest Hill?
Right next to this guy. Yeah, that's for you.
Who this guy?
This is your neighbor. You don't know this neighbor?
I live in Forest Hill.
Me too. Oh, look at that. Look who I found.
How are
my
you?
friend David here. All right. Welcome to my shop. How are you?
Fine, how you
All right.
doing?
And so this is
Hi,
a
how are you?
Facebook Live. So you can tell me about your shop. I
One
came.
second, let me turn it off.
Okay, he's gonna turn it off. Oh, look at that. We need the bags. Let me see. Oh, beautiful. Put the camera in there. Nice handbags. I saw Veronica this morning. She said, "Oh, he'd love you to go there." So tell me about the shoe repair. How long does it take?
How long? It depends what kind
Depends on
of
the
job
shoe.
it is, yeah?
Oh, okay.
So we do everything, full sole, half sole, everything. Expensive shoes,
All right. Then
red bottoms, Gucci.
Oh, the baseball glove. That's the. Yeah, you
Baseball
do that
gloves,
too.
yeah.
Gucci. Oh, beautiful.
Look at that
I
heel.
put new, no, heel is original, I put new.
Very nice. All right.
new
Antonio,
rubber.
your shoes wear out. You gotta come to this guy. And look, I saw.
Everything. I renewed this pair.
Wow.
It was beat up, just to put new.
Very good. And what are the hours here?
From 9 to 6, but usually I come 8.
Oh, okay. Don't tell anyone. You don't want everyone to be lined up at 8 o'clock.
That's good.
Oh,
I wish they will line
nice
up.
machines and everything.
Have everything, all machines.
Looks
Now, do
new.
you want to say anything before I shut up?
Please come to fix the shoes.
All right. Very reasonable prices.
Yeah, very
And
good.
what are you doing to the baseball glove?
Oh, this I gotta just tighten it up a little because it's all.
So you see that all the little kiddies with your baseball gloves, bring them here.
Yep.
Okay. So, thank you.
Thank you.